Hi there, and welcome to our new section, which is called recursion. Now, before we start to dive into deep, let's see what we will learn by the end of this section. So first, we will start identifying what is recursion, and we will define the academic definition of recursion, and we will talk about real-life examples to make clear this definition. Then, we will answer the question of why we need recursion. So many people are interested to know that why do we need recursion, so we will answer this question in this lecture. Then from here, we will continue to learn how recursion works and the logic behind the recursion. Then we will compare recursive solution with iterative solution, and we will learn differences between them. Then I will teach you an easier way to write recursion in just 3 steps. And at the end, we will implement these 3 steps on an example to find Fibonacci series using recursion. So hopefully you will enjoy this section. So let's get started.